Have you ever missed a call? Or worse, prepared for one and your client didn't show up? Or maybe you are replying to messages one by one all day while your actual work keeps piling up. Now here's the truth. Most solopreneurs and startups are not failing just because they lack the needed skills. They are failing because they don't have systems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete AI-powered business system that captures leads, follows up automatically, books appointments, and even talks to your customers, all for free. No, you don't need expensive tools like CRMs or automation platforms. What you need is a smarter way to actually connect simple tools together. In this stack, we have a booking system that prevents no-shows, an autonomous CRM that replies to leads instantly. Then we have a smart assistant that talks or chats with your customers and leads 24/7, embeddable anywhere, even on your WhatsApp Messenger. Next is a lead generator that finds new clients for you, all working together while you sleep. Let's break it down. First, the booking system. A client clicks your link, books an appointment, and instantly they get a confirmation email with a meeting link. But here's the real magic. Before the meeting, they get an automatic reminder. That's superb, right? No manual follow-ups, no paid tools, no more "I forgot the meeting" excuses. This alone can save you lost revenue every single week. Let's take it further. Someone fills your form and submits. Their details go straight into your simple sheet. But instead of just storing data, the system thinks to take actions. It reads the message, qualifies the leads, either hot, warm, or cold, then instantly sends a personalized reply to the clients. Not just a template, a real intelligent response with your booking link included in the message. I hear you say this is beautiful. Yeah, absolutely it is. So instead of chasing leads or clients are already booking you. That's not all. Now imagine this. Someone visits your website and instead of waiting, they start chatting with your AI assistant. It answers every single question accurately, explains your services, and even collects their details using text or voice based on their choice. And this is done 24/7. No breaks, no delays. And immediately you get notified with their full information. This is a digital employee, right? And finally, instead of waiting for clients, you can find them. This system can pull targeted leads based on industry, role, and interest. And of course, export everything instantly into your CRM. So now you have leads coming in and leads going out. That's how you control growth with this simple system. Now here's the difference.
So what we want to do now is to just copy the link to the calendar right here. Go to a new tab and then you paste the link right there and you click enter. You can see the available slots for anyone to book appointments. So we're going to go to the first slot right here, 4:30 p.m. and I'm going to put the first name here as Silas and the second one maybe as David. I'm going to say Simpson at gmail.com. I'm going to say the reason is career consultation. Once the appointment is booked, it's going to send meeting details to both attendees. In other words, it's going to send to the calendar owner and also the appointment setter. I'm going to click on book now and I'm going to check both emails, the email that is associated with this calendar and also the appointment setter's email. You can see it right here. See the details here and you can see the joining link of the appointment right here. You can see the other details here. So let's go over to the other email and check as well. You can see the same email right here. So now what is going to happen is the time that we booked appointment for is 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So right now the time is 4:27. So it is expected that as soon as it is 2 hours before the actual appointment time, a notification email, that is the reminder email, is now going to be sent to the appointment setter or to the attendees of the appointment. Let's check the first email. You can see one email has dropped right here and you can see the title. So let's open it so you can essentially see everything I told you about. See the body of the email. This is a kind reminder of our appointment today and you can see the event, my appointment, and Silas David, the same names that we fill in into that form, and you can see the time here, 4:30 p.m. This is the calendar owner's reminder. So let's go ahead and check the guest email. Okay, so you can see right here the same thing dropped. You can see the same email. we have just one lead details right here. So we're going to go ahead and run that form. We'll populate the form and submit it and see what happens. Dayo Linda. I'm going to put a real email so that we can go ahead and check that email. Okay, then I'll go over and write a message. Hello there, please, I need inquiry about how you can help me, particularly your services, and if possible, have a meeting to discuss what I need. Click submit right here. And so the email has been sent. So let's go over to the Google Sheet and see if anything has happened. And then you can see over here that your Linda, you can see the email, the message, the same message that we just sent. Right here, you can see the lead is hot. Based on the message, the AI was able to qualify the lead as a hot lead. And here you can see the message that was drafted and sent to the lead. So now we're going to go over and check the email, this particular email, and see that the message was actually sent to the lead. So here is the email. You can see the first one right here. So you can see it dropped. The message that the AI drafted, it says, hello Dayo Linda, you can easily schedule a call, and you can see it gave the same calendar link that I gave to it in the app script and also the website, and you can see well crafted. So that's it. Over here you can switch. Right now we are on text interface and this is voice interface. So let's test the text interface. So I'm going to say hello. So you can see over here it says, hello, I am Maria, your professional support assistant for CTEX. How can I help you today? So I'm going to say I need a consultation with CTEX experts. Can you arrange this for me? I'll be happy to help you arrange consultation with our lead expert, Simpson. He specializes in AI workflow automation, lead generation, strategy, and technical solution. To get this started, could you please provide the following details? You can see it's asking for the full name, the email, and telephone number. So I'm going to give it my full name. I am Daniel Jen. My email is dan@gmail.com. Okay, let me just say this is my telephone number, and that's it. So I'll click send. So it's going to capture this and save it in the CSV file, and then a notification email is going to be sent to that email we added at the admin panel. Okay, so you can see right here, say thank you Daniel, I have your contact detail. To make sure we are fully prepared for your consultation, could you please let me know your primary? You see, it's so intelligent. I just said I needed consultation, so now he's asking me, before he captures my detail, he needs to know what is my reason for booking the appointment. So I'm going to say I want a training on AI automation in 2 weeks. Okay, see, it says I have recorded your detail. Someone from CTEC will contact you soon. Anything else? I'm going to say that's all. Thank you. Now we're going to go ahead and check the Google Sheet if it has been populated with the details, including names, email, intent, and of course telephone number. Let's go ahead and check. So you can see right here, see Daniel Jen right here. You can see dan@gmail.com, the email. You can see the telephone number we enter, and you can see the intent, technical training on AI automation, and then conversation summary. That's not all. Now let's check the email, if there's a notification sent to the email that was embedded, so that follow-up can be done immediately. You can see the email right here. New lead capture, Daniel Jen. Say hello, a new qualified lead has been captured by the CTEC AI assistant. Then customers detail, you can see the name Daniel Jen, email daniel@gmail.com, phone number, the same phone number, intent, technical training on AI automation, and you can see communication summary right here. Now let's check the voice functionality. The voice functionality does exactly the same thing. It's just that you're going to be talking to it and it talks back to you, right? So let's click on voice assistant. I'm going to click on this to start my conversation with it. Hello there, this is Simpson.
Hello, Simpson. It's a pleasure to assist you. I'm Maria, your CTEX AI agent. I can provide information about our services, automation solutions, or any training you might need. How can I help you today?
Okay, Maria, thank you for the information you just gave. I just need automation training with CTEX, and I don't know if you guys can actually do that for me. I need that in 2 weeks, so I need a consultation with one of your tutors or your experts to actually book the appointment and then start the training on time.
Yes, we can definitely schedule a consultation for you. We offer comprehensive training in automation platforms. To arrange this for you, could you please provide your full name and email address?
My full name, David Daniel, and my email is daviddaniel@gmail.com, and my telephone number is 080-2366-2377.
And the specific training is for automation consultation to be booked in the next 2 weeks?
Yes, that's correct. You got it correct.
Thank you, David. I have captured your details and will arrange the consultation for your automation training. A CTEX expert will be in touch with you shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Thank you, Maria. That will be all for now. We're going to go over to the email and the Google Sheet to check if the information of this conversation is actually populated in the Google Sheet. So let's go over it one more time. You can see it over here, the name, David Daniel, and you can see the email. Look at the telephone number, look at the intent, automation training consultation, and look at the conversation summary right here. Finally, let's go check the email. The same thing dropped right here, new lead captured. So I'm going to open it so you can see essentially the same thing.
Now I want to search. Let's test it out. I want to get leads from startup company. I'm going to go to job title. Let me say founder, right? Let me say finance. And then industry. Okay, I'm going to choose finance here as well. Location. Okay. Type. I'm going to choose, let me use LinkedIn. Then I'm going to choose here 25 per page. All right. So I'm going to click on start scraping. Beautiful. So you can see over here is able to scrape 25. You can see extracted profiles 25, and you can see the name here, the position, the company, the location, the contact, and the other details right here. I'll export here to CSV file, right? And it's going to download it into my PC. So you can see it's not downloading here. So I'm going to click on it to open it. You can see the information right here. So you can see here it's doing exactly what we programmed it to do, right? So that is just it.
Most people try to use 10 different tools, Zapier, CRMs, make subscriptions, and many more. And then everything breaks. But what I've shown you here is different. Simple tools connected intelligently together. No monthly cost and no complexity. Just simple system that works. And this is exactly what I do. I don't just teach this. I design and build custom AI systems like this for solopreneurs, startups, and growing businesses. And so if you want something like this tailored to your workflow or even business, you don't need to figure everything out yourself. I can help you out. And if you want to build it yourself, I have left tutorial video links in the description on how you can do it yourself step by step. Also in the description, check the link to book strategy session with me or reach out to me directly. Let's build a system that works for you. And if this video actually opened your eyes, make sure to subscribe and drop your comment right in the description, because this is just the beginning of what's possible with AI systems. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, God bless you and bye.